Sagittarius, welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng May 2024 all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay, current energy check-in to for the month of May. And ginawa natin itong reading na to sa oras na 9:12 p.m. at May 28, 2024. Current energy check-in. Sometimes kasi maganda rin mag-current energy check-in at the end of the May kasi maaaring mag-transition yung situation onto the next 3 to 6 months. So, it's a good thing also. Alright? And sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong monthly Tagalog readings. As you know that this is a collective reading, hindi to personal reading. So maaari mag-resonate ito sa a certain collective energy na china-channel natin. At kung hindi ito mag-resonate, it only means na ang reading na to ay hindi para sa inyo. I will tap into your energy next time, hopefully, okay? So, Sagittarius Collective, isa-shuffle ko lang muna yung mga cards in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in a few seconds, okay? Again, Sagittarius, so as you know, kanina na nag-upisa tayo, nakalimutan ko suotin ang ating mga bracelet. So sabi ko, I cannot do the reading na hindi to suot, no? Kahit anong bracelet, okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, kukuha tayo ng 7 cards para sa inyong general life snapshot. Ito ay isang collective reading. Ang timestamp ngayon ay 9:14 p.m. at May 28, 2024. And, yeah, so i-cut lang natin ng 3 times itong cards and then we shall start na Sagittarius. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, so at position 1 Sag, nandito ang hope. At position 2, nandyan ang universe and faith, hope and miracles here. Ayan, buti kita na yung right up, no? Kasi nung last time, hindi nakikita eh. Depende sa lighting. And then, ito, prayer and meditation at position 3. Mga keywords lang. And then, nandyan ang universe. And then, ito yung cover ng deck natin. Actually, when I lean on certainty and faith. Ito, basahin lang natin, no? Kasi wala siya talagang name or on affirmation siya. Ayan. When I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. Yan, okay? And then at the back, nandyan ang when I think I have surrendered, I surrender more. Alright? Then, at position 6, going back. First time kong makuha tong card na to. Baka maganda, no? May puno siya, may moon, and isang crescent, isang full moon. Okay? Faith na naman siya. Ganda naman ng mga messages dito. And at the center, bago ulit ito, Sagittarius. Okay, meron tong prayers as well. Okay? Now, umpisahan na natin Sag, no? At position 1, release position. Ang sabi dito, hope is a conduit for miracles. So, ito yung kailangan natin i-release, okay? So, ang sinasabi dito, either ito yung mga bagay na pakawalan, yung mga bagay na hinuhold back mo na dapat mo na ring finally pakawalan yung energy na yan. So, continue hoping daw. Okay, huwag tayo mawala ng pag-asa na merong himala. Okay, may plot twist, may chance na mabago ang situation. Okay, yun ang sinasabi dito. Not all hope is lost. Laging may chance na mabago yung reality, na mabago ang perspective, na mag-shift ang situation. Straightforward yan, and napaka-perfect sa release position na para to sa mga nawawalan na ng pag-asa. Okay, don't think that way. Okay, baguhin yung perspective nyo sa sitwasyon kasi maaari na feeling natin na parang walang way out or walang solution. No, it's not the case. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Okay, continue hoping daw. Magtiwala. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa sa buhay in general. Okay? Now, at position 2, nandito naman, bago rin to, no? So may dalawang owl or ibon and then may buwan. Okay, so basahin natin, no? Ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy, Sagittarius, okay? When I lean on the faith of the universe, again, okay? Ito, when I lean on certainty and faith yung kanina. Ito, nasa continue position to. Yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy as of now and on to the next months. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. Okay, so may kinalaman to sa hope and faith. Parang hope, faith, and love. Yung tatlong virtues sa Catholic faith, di ba? So, nandiyan yung hope, nandiyan si faith. Sinabi dito, magtiwala. Kasi yung miracles is like a religious term din to for manifestation. That's what I see, no? I read metaphysical books. Nagbabasa rin naman na ng Bible. But, you know, as a Christian, we call it miracles. Pero sa metaphysical, spiritual realm, ang tawag natin dyan ay manifestations, di ba? Yung things na parang may plot twist or may change of event na umaayon sa'yo. Kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, nandiyan na inilalatag sa harapan mo yun. So, sinasabi dito, yun yung hope, no? So, wag ka mawala ng pag-asa kasi eventually, it might come. Maring maglanda lang yan sa harapan mo. Kung ano man yung ninanais mo. So, anything can happen. Pero, ang sinasabi sa kailangan mo pagpatuloy mo daw na magtiwala sa creator mo, sa universe, kung ano man ang paniniwala mo, or it doesn't matter, kay Jesus Christ, kay Ganesh, kay Buddha, whatever it is, no? Or kung naniwala ka sa universe alone or kay creator, it doesn't matter. So, isang pangmalakasan, matindihang pananalig ang kailangan mo. Okay? And then, yung pananalig na yan, no, kung gaano yan kalakas, no, kung gaano mo yan pagpapatuloy, hindi mo iwawala, no, may sinasabi, something to do na magbibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan. Maybe yung faith mo, no, have faith or wag mo questionin, just have faith, no, kung patuloy yung ginagawa, it will bring you comfort and peace becomes real. Okay? So, nasa spirituality, nasa belief mo, yung kapayapaan na hinahanap mo. It could also be yung belief core mo, yung belief system mo, yung conviction mo. Okay, and once na-convince or na-make up ang mind mo at heart mo sa kung ano ang gusto mo, diba? Ito yung kailangan pagpatuloy, malamang you already make up your mind. Sa mga desires mo, sa mga iniisip at nararamdaman mo, then only peace will eventually become real. Kasi clear din ang ating intention and ating mga goals. Okay? Now, at position 3 manifestation, puro mga bagong cards to actually. Well, ito hindi to repeating card. Ito, and ito. Okay, 4. The rest lumabas na yan sa past readings this month. Now, at position 3, hindi ko ma-decipher kung ano tong drawing, no? But anyway, para siyang naka-open na cut into 2, no? Parang ganun, no? Okay? Through prayer and meditation, nasa ano kasi ito, manifestation. Through prayer and meditation, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. So, may kinalaman lately ang situation mo. Mga, kailangan mo ipagpatuloy para ma-achieve mo yung peace. Parang right now, maybe you're in need of peace of mind, clarity, or just peace in general. Sa kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon where you feel like parang you're in conflict or nako-confuse tayo. So, the goal for the next 3 to 6 months at ang current energy check-in mo is to always strive for peace daw, Sagittarius. Okay? So, sa manifestation mo, ina-encourage ka na mag-meditate at magdasal, Sag. Okay? And through that daw, if parang you come closer sa reflection mo, self-reflection, spiritual reflection, spiritual work mo, whatever it is, paano ka ba nag-meditate, paano ka nag-pray, it's up to you, no? Okay? It's up to you kasi it's personal. Iba-iba tayo ng preferences kung paano tayo mag-grow yung spiritual connection natin with our Creator. It's up to you. Okay? Prayer and meditation pa rin ang sinasabi dito, no? And when you do that, no, yung spiritual work mo, ano bang ginagawa mo? You pray, you meditate, nag-affirm, nag-visualize, nagpupunta sa church, it doesn't matter, pero itong ginagawa mo na to, no, may kinalaman yun, makakatulong yun sa pag-manifest, no, para mapadali. I kind of feel like, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world, so, parang ina-encourage ka dito sa manifestation mo na tumulong para mag-bring in ng peace and harmony and balance, maybe to the people around you, be para rin sa sarili mo, inner peace, inner work, and maybe rin, it has something to do with contentment. Nagma-manifest tayo ng mga things na will bring us peace and contentment and harmony sa buhay natin. Medyo balance eh. Yun yung nararamdaman ko, Sag. Okay? Now, ang external energy mo nakalagay dito sa Sagittarius. I am the loving energy of the universe. So, how many times sinabi ang universe? Okay, second time na, no? Ito yung second card mo. Yung kailangan may pagpatuloy sa external energy mo, no? Yung external energy mo, may parang influence right now sa'yo. Maaaring you are connected, no? Or aware ka sa surroundings mo. Yung things na dapat na i-work out. Yung mga aware ka sa mga energy, positive and negative energies, and I felt strongly na it's more leaning towards a positive kasi I am the loving energy of the universe. So, may sense of awareness o yung external na trigger within you para maging aware ka doon. For some reason, maaari rin may nag-i-influence sa'yo na mag-attune yung iyong focus and attention to the right things, sa mga right energies. Okay? Yun. Which is a good thing, Sagittarius. And at the 5th position, Sag, nandyan ang when I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. Yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo is yung pinanghahawakan mo na faith, no? Kasi when I lean on the faith of the universe naman, and when I lean on certainty and faith, whatever it is, no, parang yung inner work mo ngayon, yung conviction mo, and yung belief mo, may kinalaman yun sa something na magbe-benefit ka. Okay? At makakatulong yun para mabago daw yung perspective mo sa nakikita mo. Remember, yung nakikita mo ngayon, na-manifest mo na yan. Nanggaling yan sa feelings, thoughts, and belief mo. Okay? So, kung papatatagin mo yung conviction, belief, thoughts, feelings, and faith mo, no, baari na maka-influence yun na mabago mo yung situation mo right now. Ma-bring in mo mga bagong challenges, of course, bagong opportunities, bagong scenario, bagong connections, bagong situation, no? Shift din sa situation ng old to new, parang ganun. Okay, Sag? Iniisip ko pa kung ano pang pwede nating i-dive deep dito. Yeah, yung pinangahawakan mo na belief and conviction, no? I think, no, magiging pull yan, no? Para mabago yung the way you see situations and people, perception. Yeah, perception. Mas lumalakas. Magbe-benefit ka dun pag nababago at nakokorek ang ating perception, Sag. Okay? Now, at position 6, ang ganda ng cards, no? Puno siya, and then may crescent, and then may full moon, and then, ang sabi, no, sa new beginning mo, my faith has the power to turn trauma into healing. May faith na naman, conflict and into growth, and fear into love. So, how many times sinabi ang faith? Pangatlong beses na. So, maybe may work tayo na kailangan para sa pananampalataya, sa conviction, sa belief. Kung kumukulang o medyo numinipis ang ating pananalig or paniniwala sa mga kung ano yung core natin, no? May napagdududa, ang patatagin natin, okay, yun ang sinasabi dito. Okay? Patatagin nyo. So, ang sinasabi dito, no, ang new beginning mo, yung conviction, yung belief at pananampalataya mo, may kakayahan siya mabago lahat. Mag-heal ka sa mga trauma, childhood trauma, past experiences mo. Okay? Use that faith, yung belief, yung new form belief mo or concept mo about sa sarili mo, about sa situation mo, about sa buhay mo, about sa mga paniniwala mo. Okay? Sinasabi dyan, it can heal your trauma, childhood trauma, past heartaches, past heartbreaks, and past bad experiences, no? You will heal from that. Tapos yung mga conflict daw, magiging, mas maayos. Okay, conflict within yourself, within the family, sa situation mo, surroundings mo, or even conflict lang or confusion, no? It will turn into some possibility na mag-increase sa opportunities, growth, okay? Yun ang maganda sa new beginnings mo, and it can turn fear into love, okay? So, lahat yon yung new beginnings mo na yan, no, ang sinasabi dito, may kinalaman sa conviction, sa pananalig, sa pananampalataya mo. Parang yun ang magiging source ng change, or ng parang magiging, ano mo siya, special power, kumbaga, no, for your own healing, for your own development, and mas maging loving tayo sa mga situations and people around us. Okay? Such at the center naman, no, bagong card din to. No? So, para lang siyang rice field, mountains, tapos may mga pine trees dyan, and plants lang to. Ganun-ganun lang. Okay, so ang sabi dito, ito yung lesson na kailangan mong matutunan or natutunan mo recently, no? Ang sabi, instead of praying for an outcome, instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good of all. Okay, so it's one thing that we pray, kasi meron ditong true prayer and meditation sa iyong mga manifestation, di ba? Na magkakaroon niya ng positive change not only sa iyo, kundi sa ibang tao. It will create a ripple effect in the world. So, may kinalaman siya, yung manifestation mo, dapat may impact not only for yourself, but for others din, or surrounding mo. Okay, yung mga manifestation. Kasi, it will create a ripple effect of peace in the world, and then I pray for the highest good for all. So, you're praying and meditating for an outcome. Okay? Sa manifestation and something na dapat mong matutunan or natutunan mo recently. May gusto tayong mangyari. Pero, itong gusto nating mangyari, always remember na mas maganda, alam mo yun, na to pray for an outcome na hindi lang tayo ang mag-benefit, but as well as mag-benefit din lahat. Walang maagrabyado, walang maaapakan. So parang win-win para sa lahat. Yung mga manifestations natin. Okay? Or yung mga win-win situation para sa lahat. Yung ating mga nanaisin at hahangarin. No? Not only for ourselves. So, kumbaga walang selfish motive na parang successful tayo, pero at the same time parang may maagrabyado tayo or ma-push aside, okay, or wag ka rin namang magpapaagrabyado or maging push over, kumbaga, no, stand your ground as well. And yun nga, dapat balance, no, hindi rin pwede na ikaw is nasa losing end dito, no, at sila yung nagre-reap ng reward, nasa advantage position while ikaw ay nasa disadvantage. No, huwag ka rin pumayag ng ganun, Sagittarius. Okay, it's more like maybe an advice also for you as of this 9:30 p.m. May 28, 2024 and all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay, so ito yung monthly Tagalog reading, current energy check-in nyo. And sana nag-resonate to Sagittarius, no? And if not, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Sagittarius. God bless and mahal ko kayo. Bye!